Hello everyone and welcome to Azam Sharp YouTube channel. This video is about my upcoming workshop on unit testing. If you go to azamsharp.school and click on workshops, you will see all the upcoming workshops. And this workshop is just coming up right around the corner, October 12th, 2024, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So it's going to be a 3-hour workshop on introduction to unit testing. So you're going to be learning about what exactly is test-driven development. You're going to be learning about mocking, stubs, integration testing, and also end-to-end testing. Now these workshops are very hands-on workshop. I mean, you will be writing a lot of code. I will provide you all the final code for the project and repositories. Everything will be provided to you. You will be on the live Zoom channel with other attendees, and you can ask as many questions as you like. This is going to be very, very interactive, hands-on workshop. And after attending this workshop, you will have fundamental knowledge of how unit tests actually works, how you can get the return on your investment, what tests are important, but what tests are not important. What does it mean to mock something? When should you mock? When should you not mock? You are going to be learning about end-to-end testing, that how important the end-to-end tests are in your application. So this is going to be really, really practical. And look at the price. I mean, these workshops usually run for like thousands of dollars, but I want every one of you to attend this. I want it to be available to everyone. So that's why the price is only $89. And I try to do these workshops, multiple times, like 6-7 times a year on different topics. So definitely check out azamsharp.school and you can check out workshops simply by going to the workshops page. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the workshop.